I'm back today with another tutorial for one of my all-time favorite braids, the medieval rope twist. This one is surprisingly simple. So a lot of people try to recreate this braid just by wrapping their hair. It looks okay while you're braiding it. It's a bit flat, but the problem is, once you put your ponytail in and let go of it, it kind of just unwinds. And there's not much of a braid left there. There's nothing holding it. So I'm going to show you the secret trick behind this braid. First, we need to pick which direction we're going to be wrapping this twist braid. I usually wrap away from my face. So that means I'm moving these strands to the left, and to the left, and to the left. Now, the way we're actually going to get them to stay is before I actually wrap them to the left, I'm going to twist each one individually to the right. So we're going to give some good twists here. They're both twisting to the right. Now, I can go ahead and bring it back over. Again, I'm holding on really tightly so that these twists don't come undone. I'm wrapping them back to the left, and I'm going to continue twisting to the right as we go. So if your hair has a lot of layers in it, you're going to want to do this wet, and you could even add some hairspray, pomade, hair gel, just whatever you use to keep these hairs nice and flat. This braid is very shiny and sleek, but it also gives a lot of opportunity for broken ends and layers to escape. So we want to twist this good and tight to the right, and then wrap to the left. This one's coming undone a bit, so I'm just going to keep twisting it, again to the right, and then wrapping to the left. Twist to the right, wrap to the left. Twist to the right, and wrap to the left. And we're just going to continue this all the way down. Now I have my clear elastic. I'm going to add that right to the bottom of this braid. And now you'll see with this special trick of twisting before you wrap, once I go ahead and let go, it doesn't untwist whatsoever, and this will stay, as long as you hairspray it really well, this will stay for hours. I've worn this braid all day. You can go back in if any of these twists are a bit uneven and kind of bring it back out. And there we have it, this beautiful medieval looking rope twist braid. And there's really a lot you can do with this. Twisting it up, it makes some beautiful buns. Like this. One of my favorites is to take it and bring it over, and it makes this beautiful headband look. Now, you can always pin it just like this, the way I've done it, but if your hair isn't long enough to do that, or you want to do an actual French braid with this look, keep watching. We're going to start by gathering a little section at the very top of our head and splitting it into two. Now the French version of this braid is completely the same, except with every twist we're going to be adding hair on both sides. So let's begin. I'm going to twist both strands to the left and then cross them over to the right. Now I'm going to twist again and then go ahead and add some hair. And I like to twist before and after every time I add hair, and make sure you're twisting it really tight so everything stays nice and organized. again, I'm going to twist this piece to the left and then cross them over to the right. And give it another twist. We're going to continue adding hair all the way down. Twist, add hair, give it a twist, and now wrap. And twist again. Add hair, twist, add hair, twist, and wrap. Twist, add hair, twist, add hair, twist, and wrap. Now we can go ahead and bring it over our shoulder and finish off the braid. Now we can go back in, really smooth everything out. Once you get the basic braid down and the French braided version down, the options are limitless. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully it helps you add a little something extra to your hairstyles.